Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Kawaii Pumpkin using Fimo polymer clay. So, let's get started. To begin, take the orange color and mold it into a ball shape. Next, I used my needle tool to make indents and shaped my orange clay into a pumpkin. You can indent a U shape into the orange clay to make the mouth. Then, roll 2 balls of brown clay for the eyes and attach them onto the pumpkin. Make 2 smaller balls of white clay for the glint in the eyes and secure them on. For the cheeks, I used 2 small balls of pink clay. Next, make an indent on the top of the pumpkin. This is where the stem is going to be. You can roll the green clay into the shape of a stem and place it on the top of a pumpkin. I made a texture with my needle tool. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Kawaii pumpkin looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!